Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week gold trading made good profit. You can join with Telegram. Link is below. So I'm in a weekly chart gold. You can see the last weekly candle is the strong green candles that you can see in the weekly chart. So buyers are more under control to the gold price push to the upside. So 3020 is the start price last week and 3237 is the Friday in price. So $200 gold price increase in last week. So you can see huge demand gold, and the gold made new all-time high also in two 3250 to 3200 above price. So main reason is the gold demand is the, remember, gold is the safe haven asset. So US China trade war is the continuing, and that's the FX Street website mentioned gold source to record high as trade war. USD crashes to 35 months low. That's the China hits back with the 125 tariff after US raises duties to 145%, triggers to global rush into safe haven assets. So that's the trade war continuing in the between China and USA with the taxes and the tariff. That is the main reason for gold demand. Remember, gold is the safe haven asset. As the safe haven asset, gold demand new all-time high made in last week. So that's the main reason is uncertainty is continuing. So I'm going to the 4-hour chart. What is the technically picture? You can see the what is you should forecast in next week gold trading. You can see this upper line trend line price is several times tested this trend line with the 4-hour chart technically. So price now is in this trend line. So tariffs uncertainty continuing next week also. That's the no doubt goal can be demand also this breakout this trend line and retest. That is also you have a buy opportunity. Remember, gold is the safe haven asset. So this trend line, you can see price several times tested this trend line. So not this trend line breakout and price push to the upside. That is the help to some retracement to the goal below downside. So that's the technically picture indicates in the 4-hour charts you can see. So some retracement can be, so you should wait for that this trend line breakout or not. So some retracement to like this in 3200 level, but you should wait for the sell goal because of more uncertainty in the market. So last week CPI yearly report was released. USA, that's the 2.8% is the previous one. Fed forecast to 2.6%. So to drop to the 2.4%. So inflation yearly report dropped to 2.4%. So that helps to gold push to the upside. Dollar sell off as well. You can see the Fed rate cut forecast increased with the inflation report dropped. So that's the Fed watch tool indicates. So May FOMC meeting is the coming FOMC meeting. So that indicates the 25 bps rate cut forecast increasing with the inflation report drop. So Fed's inflation target is the 2%. So inflation drop that will help to gold push to the upside with the rate cut forecast increased with the last week. So more recent support to the gold push to the upside. So next week, two interest rate events in next week. That's the ECB European Central Bank's rate event in next week, and the Canadian Central Bank rate event in next week. Also two interesting rate events, and the US retail sales also in next week. So you should touch with the fundamentals economic data if we are trading gold. So that's the fundamentals in next week. So you should touch with that fundamentals economic data if you are trading gold. So that's the two economic events, ECB and the BOC. So ECB is now forecast to another 25 bps cutoff in next week, European central banks, and the BOC forecast to post the rate in 2.75%. So interesting economic events in next week. You should touch with the economic data. So let's see the what is the this is the last move. This last move, you can see this low and this high. This is the last move, this is the low, this is the high with the 4 hour chart. So I am using Fibonacci from this high to low. What is the retracement level? So 0.786 level is there, that can be retracement level next week goal. And the 0.618 level is the below zone, can be retracement level. This can be retracement level with the Fibonacci level. So you should wait for the breakout or not. So 3200 and 3175 is the two retracement levels, and the 0.618 level left side is the resistance. Then resistance can be support in right side. So without break out this trend line, so price can be retracement to the this level in next week. So you should wait for the confirmations to get the sell trades. So more uncertainty continues next week. So also that's the goal. Demand, remember, gold is the safe haven asset. So you can join with my Telegram link for gold trading community. So thank you very much.